Okay, do you want to shower your boo with Valentine's Day gifts, but you don't quite have enough funds in the good old budget to actually make that happen? Stick around because I have some really awesome budget-friendly Valentine's Day gifts that won't break the bank. Hey, what's up? It's Justine with Debt Free Millennials, the channel for all things millennial money and debt-free living. If you want to learn how to live a debt-free life, be sure to hit subscribe, stick around, and I'll show you exactly the tools, tips, and strategies you need to make that happen. All right, so I'm going to talk about Valentine's Day. This is something that my husband and I actually don't put a lot of emphasis on because we like prioritizing our spending in other places like travel. You guys know, if you've been following for a while, that I really put an emphasis on traveling, and that's where we like to put our money. So we don't spend a whole lot of money on gifts here. And instead, I think I'll speak for myself, but I love being recognized on holidays like this because I like seeing how Kyle is going to shower me with gifts. Just kidding. I like to be appreciated and shown love on Valentine's Day. What girl doesn't? So instead, what we do, instead of him spending $50 on a bouquet of roses that are just going to die a week later, we'll do some really fun budget-friendly gifts. We'll usually set our budget around $15 and do something nice. So my first tip is, if you want to do something budget friendly, is do a snack box. So snack box is where you just go to the grocery store and get $15 worth of really fun snacks that maybe you don't normally buy. I don't do a lot of junk food, so to me, getting a snack box of like just junk food would be so fun. I've already told Kyle this. Kyle, I hope you're watching. Things like Dr. Pepper's, my jam. Do you guys remember those sour straws that are like strawberry flavored? Oh God, I used to love those. Me and my sister, we really got into those. She stole a lot of those when we were growing up. Even just like movie theater style popcorn and getting a movie to rent on Amazon Prime, that would be so fun. So putting together even like the chocolate bars that you can find at the grocery store, way cheaper than doing something fancy. My second gift idea, which I really like to do, is I like to write love letters or cards. I really like doing this because a lot of times I will think to myself about something that Kyle has done for me or for the household, just for our marriage, that I really appreciate, that I don't feel I always communicate to him. So writing out just a letter of appreciation or letter of gratitude. And if you're not a writer, just think of all the things that you are thankful about that person for, you know, what you're grateful for, to be in a relationship with them. And I think words can play such a key role in a healthy relationship, especially talking about money. But I think a love letter is really sentimental. It's a nice touch and it doesn't cost any money. My third gift idea is to do what I like to call a K-Day card. I'm calling it K-Day because it's for Kyle. So it's a day just all about him. So what I did is I took like a little card and I said, you know, you redeem this coupon for one day that's all about you. And what we can do is, like, I can give you a massage, we can watch your favorite movie, I'll cook your favorite dinner, whatever that may be, or we'll go out to your favorite brewery and we'll have a beer. So it doesn't necessarily have to include things that you go out and spend money on. You can keep it really frugal, but make it a day about them and make it special. If, like, I really enjoy having like a hot tub night, or I would really enjoy having him cook dinner for a change. So those would be things that you can include on your list of like K-Day card items and then give it to them as like a special Valentine's Day gift. It'd be really fun. All right, my fourth idea for you to do a budget-friendly Valentine's Day is do a really fancy at-home meal. So last year, Kyle and I got sushi ingredients from the store and we did homemade sushi. I made the rice, we got seaweed, we got all of the fixings for inside, and we just rolled them together. It was so much fun, and we don't do homemade sushi very often because it does take some time to put together, but try doing like pot stickers. I don't know, I'm on this Asian kick right now, but we're gonna do pot stickers, I think. You could do a really fancy at-home meal. Maybe it's steaks, or maybe it's shrimp. It's so much fun when you come together and do it at home, because then you're avoiding reservations at a really busy restaurant. You're avoiding paying for an expensive meal, and you get to do it at home. So that's my ideas. I'd love to know if you jump in the comments what your best budget-friendly gift ideas are for Valentine's Day. I'm always looking for more. And you can also use this for your anniversary as well. So I think they're really fun ideas. And also, I also want to point this out. Be mindful of expectations. If your partner has expectations that she's getting Godiva chocolates and $50 bouquet of roses, then one of these gift ideas might feel a little disappointing. So talk about expectations and why you want to do these types of gifts, because you want to place priorities with your finances in other areas of your life, like paying down debt, like doing things that you want to do instead of feeling obligated to pay for things that don't last. All right, those are my tips. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day, and we'll catch you in another video.